Thus dawns a day in the mystical workshop of shakuhachi by Ricardo Zapata Sensei. For him, every custom shakuhachi he meticulously crafts carries more than just bamboo. It holds the very soul and deep-seated trust of the one who commissioned it. This is not mere manufacturing. It is the genesis of a sonic vessel, precisely engineered and infused with intention to manifest a personalized necessity, designed for the ultimate experience in celestial sound, effortless comfort, and breathtaking aesthetic beauty. The sacred, intimate bond forged between luthier and client in his atelier sparks a profound alchemical quest, a deep exploration into the client's singular need, desired sound texture, and vision for design. This collaborative journey culminates in a dream flute, a legendary instrument, ready to be brought into being, step by enchanted step, in shared creation with the client. Each prospective instrument already carries a history of years of meticulous curating and seasoning. Every carefully harvested bamboo stalk rests, patiently awaiting the precise moment when the right master arrives to summon its destiny and transform it into their transcendent instrument. This mystical journey begins not today, but 3 or 4 years ago, when Zapata Sensei himself embarks on his annual pilgrimage. He selects, with almost ritualistic detail, each bamboo stalk according to the exact esoteric specifications required for his legendary shakuhachi collections. This is a profound and arduous endeavor, undertaken through deep, immersive treks within the immense bamboo forests of his beautiful native Colombia, the cherished land of the Guajua.